the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to appear the extension at the end of the file name, especially in Windows 10. Now let's get started. Here you can see there is a no extension. To show the extension, I will search in the search box. Here I'll type show file extensions. Now for open, you can open from there or by clicking on show file extension. Now in a second settings for developers, under the heading of File Explorer, change setting to show the extension. Show settings. Here you can uncheck hide extension for known file types. That is already clicked. Uncheck it. Now apply and press OK. Now counter check it. Here you can see the extensions at the end of the files have been appeared. Thanks for watching.